Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. How are you? Hope you all would be fine. I welcome you to my channel and your channel, TRICKSY Tips, with a new exciting video on Microsoft Excel. Friends, Microsoft Excel tutorials are going on, and you are learning, you are taking benefit from my classes. So please like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel as much as you can, and stay tuned with me for getting new videos and new things, and get more expertise in Excel, so that you can excel in professionally, like in your professional life, as well as if you are a student you can also take it as a skill, and when you will start doing job, then it will help you in professional career too. Okay, now moving forward to our today's class, I will give you a brief introduction to Microsoft Excel 2013. Microsoft Excel is an application of Microsoft, which is a giant in IT. Microsoft has created many applications for the use of general purpose computing. So as you know that in offices and in colleges, etc., you have to go through the calculations and you have to present your presentations. So you need a software, an application which makes you easy to analyze the data which you get from various sources. So Microsoft Office has multiple applications, and Excel is one of the powerful of them, which helps you in creating data analysis reports and present your data in a visualized and organized form. So this was a brief introduction of Microsoft Excel, and the more you will learn, the more you will go forward, the more you will learn. You can join my channel, and you can take the benefit of the videos which I regularly post on my channel, TRICKSY Tips. So today's class will be on Format Painter. What is Format Painter? And what is a format? Formatting is just like you can change the font size, you can change the color, you can apply a border, or you can do a number type change. For example, this is called formatting. I typed my name or Salan, and I changed its formatting to bold, so the text appears more visible. It is bold, Arsalan. If I want to copy this formatting, and I have another data, and that data is Jamal. For example, if I want to copy Arsalan's format to Jamal format, then I will select this, and then I will go to Format Painter. Then this will be copied, and I will paste it here. Then it has pasted and copied the format of Arsalan to Jamal. Okay, if I, for example, if I change the color of this to yellow, and I need to apply this to another cell, for example in this cell or any other cell, and I want to copy all this formatting and apply it to another cells, except the text, all will be copied and pasted. Okay, so I will select this cell and then go to Format Painter and double click. Okay, here you can see the result. It has pasted. Now it is not fun, it is fun. So just joking, but it is really easy that you can copy and paste the formatting of one cell to multiple cells. If you want to paste into multiple cells your formatting, then you can easily take the benefit of Format Painter, which is visible in the Office clipboard here. Okay, now today's class portion has got done, and I request you to please like my channel and subscribe me to take more interesting videos, and take care of yourself and your brothers and sisters and your whole family. Hope we will see you in the next class with more exciting videos and content. Stay tuned with me. Allah Hafiz.